Let's look at how to edit the cover page that prints out with a client's tax return. First, we're going to begin at the main menu of TaxSlayer Pro, and I'm going to click on number 7, Configuration. Once I'm in the Configuration main menu, I'm going to choose number 4, Printer Copy Setup. And now I'm going to choose option number 6, Edit the Cover Page. First, let's have a look at the cover page to see how it appears without any changes. So I'm going to choose number 11, Print and View the Test Cover Page. And here's what the cover page looks like with no changes having been made yet. Very plain and simple. So I'm going to close this out. First, let's put a border around the cover page. So I'm going to select option number 1, Print Border on the cover page. I'm going to change this to yes. And now let's view the cover page and see what changes were made. And now we've got a nice border around the cover page. I'm going to close this out. Now let's print our firm information on the cover page. I'm going to change this option to yes. View the cover page. And let's see how this looks. So now I've got my firm information up here and my client's name and address, and I've got a border around my cover page. Close this out. In option number 3, you can move the client information up and down on the page. The higher the number, the lower on the page the client information prints. Same for your firm information. My firm information is now printing on row 17. If I were to change this to row 10, my firm information would print higher on the cover page. Imagine the page with row 1 on the very top and then row 72 on the very bottom. So in other words, the higher the row number, the lower on the page the information will print. The lower the row number, the higher the information will print on the page. So now let's change option number 5, my firm information, to print on the cover page. Here's my firm information, so I'm going to click OK there. It's got my company name, address, phone numbers, and so forth. I'm going to click OK on that. And now let's view the test cover page. So now my firm information is printing here. My client's name and address is printing here. I've got my border on my cover page. I'm going to close this out. Now let's say, for instance, I wanted to print some notes on the cover page. So I'm going to select option number 7, change this to yes. This opens up option number 8, the notes that I wish to print on the cover page. So I'm going to click on that, and let's just say I want to print "Thank you for your business." Click OK. And now let's view my cover page. And down at the bottom, I've got my notes down there. Thank you for your business. Now, if I didn't like any of these changes, all I have to do is select option number 10, reset the cover page to default. Answer yes. And now let's view the cover page. And the cover page is back to the plain cover page before we made any changes. I can remove the border if I want to. And again, we're right back where we started. And so basically, that's how you can make changes to your cover page. Thanks for watching.